Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, again name, eh? Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite baby girl, Chidera Giselle, on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle vlogger living in Owerri. Welcome to my channel. Please, if you love what you see, click on the red subscribe button. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyways, I'm on my way back from the market. Yeah, I just went to the market and I'm on my way back. And funny enough, I've been gathering clips of me going to the market or doing some random things. Like if you jam me in my hood, in my area, things you may most likely see me doing, like going to buy things and putting stuff on my head and different things. Let me take this thing down. People are passing and looking at me. So if you're new to my channel, you will not know that I love to carry things on my head. I don't like to carry things on my hand because I feel it's so stressful to carry things on my hand. Okay, so this vlog is going to be like a story time vlog. I'll be saying the story and I'll be showing you different clips of the things actually happening. Yeah, so first of all, the other day I went to Relief Market in the evening. I know I promised you guys that I would go to Relief Market and show you how it looks in the evening. So I went to Relief Market in the evening. Yeah. Come on, avocado Hey. Oh, where are they making it? Good evening. You get one. Five. Mommy, how about 7? 15. My mom, you're in 1200. Actually, go take a 300. Actually, go take a 300.
You're getting here with 700. I'll change you.
So this particular udara I got is an udara called Wanu in Igbo land. Wanu is so sweet, and right now if you're not selling Wanu, if what you have is not Wanu, I ain't buying it. Yeah, I'm not going to buy it. Wanu is usually like ×3 of the normal price of other types of udara. And you see some people, if you don't know the difference between one and the other one, some people may want to deceive you because they know that people like buying Wanu, so they will tell you that it's Wanu that they're selling when it's not Wanu that they're selling. You get, so you guys know the taste. Wanu does not have any sour taste at all. And I wanted to get mango at this point, but I didn't like these mangoes. They were too soft and the woman was like 400 naira for each pile, so I had to leave it and go get this emotic mango. Oh my god, this mango is heavenly. I think it's my best mango. It's so nice. Anyways, I got it for 400 naira too, but I was happy that I was getting 400 naira mango that worth it. Like, it's so expensive, but at least it was firm, it was big and all of that, so I just got it that way. It was better than buying that other one for 400 naira, even for 200 naira. It was so bad. So I happened to see this woman's udara and it was cheaper than Wanu, and I bought it because at this point I didn't know the difference. So you guys can see how Relief Market looks in the evening, crowded, dirty and all of that. And I got goat meat. Yeah, goat meat, sweet meat. Goat meat is another very nice meat. I talked about anu in my previous vlog. That's pork, but goat meat is another really nice meat. Good evening, ma. Because don't like in a small water. Pattern. Can you cook one? Huh?
Hey, Mbao. Oh, one sister, one of my grandmas.
So you guys heard this woman. Big ever water is now 1,700 naira. Something that used to be less than 1,000 naira. And small ever water is now 1,011. Something that used to be around 500 naira or even less. At this stage, people retailing this small ever water can't sell it 15 naira again. They have to sell it even 120, because if they sell it 100 naira, they're literally going to get 15 naira or 100 naira, and that's nothing. So Nigeria is so bad now. Like, it's so difficult to live in Nigeria now. Don't let anybody sugarcoat it. Nigeria is not easy now, except you're earning high. If you're just earning small, like if you're just earning something very moderate, Nigeria is going to hard you. Oh my hard, they're gone. What did I just speak? Anyways, Nigeria is hard.
It's big ever water. I'm carrying it on my head, and I'm carrying the nylon of things I just bought from the market. It's tiring, but what are we going to do? Don't worry, we're gonna work hard so that one day, soon, I'm gonna buy my car. All these things, I'll just fling them at the back seat or at the boots and be going home. You understand? So guys, this is udara. I bought this one for 300 naira. I'm actually angry about it. I bought it for 300 naira. It's about 30 pieces or 31 pieces. I can't remember. And I got this one for 15 naira. All these things you are seeing here now, 15 naira. And I already bought this one before I discovered this woman. So imagine if it was this woman that I bought 300 naira udara from. It should have been times 6 of this one and all of that. But the thing is that I don't want to be so angry, because this woman told me that her own is wanu. If you are Igbo, you are supposed to know what wanu is. Udara wanu is very sweet, like sugar, like milk and honey. I tasted this woman's one, it was sweet. This woman's one too is sweet, but I don't know if this one is sweeter than it. I'm just going to compare right now. So let me turn inside the bath. And you guys saw now I got mango, very expensive, because mango is just coming out. I think I'll have to post this video this week. This one I'm saying mango is just coming out. So this is it. Very expensive mango. I got it at 400 naira, just 6 pieces. I'm sure that by this time next 2 weeks now, it's going to be so cheap. If I buy 400 naira next 2 weeks, I know how much I'll come back with, because this one is even Igbo mango, so it's not supposed to be expensive. It's not like they brought it from anywhere. I bought this avocado. It's already ripe. It has already ripened, so I shall bought it so that at least somebody can lick it this night. I think this is going to be my dinner, because it's already spoiling. Oh, okay, one that's pressed. It's already spoiling. I just bought it so I can lick it this night, sha. Since it's already late and I don't want to eat once it's past 5, 6, I don't like eating. So this is it. So all these fruits you are seeing here, I think I got all of them. It's not up to 1,000 naira, because this avocado is 200. This is 400. That's 600 plus 350. That's 950 for all these fruits you are seeing here. And then I went to make my hair. You guys can't imagine the hair I went to make. I want my hair to grow badly, so I decided to go and make buff. Do you know what they call buff? Otukuru. Just watch and see. So guys, I'm in the salon. Yeah, I'm in the salon. I came to make my hair. I want to start doing buff. Do you know what they call buff? Otukuru. I don't know if you can hear me. You're really looking fine, oh, like a beauty. Seriously, the beauty of a woman is her hair. Oh. Forget all these things. When you make hair, the difference is always very clear. And if this thing is fine, I'll be doing it for a long while until my hair grows. I prefer it to thread. See how you are finishing one fast. If it's thread, I'll sleep here today. And it looks finer than thread. Village girl. Chalumbo. I like this hair. I really like it. So guys, how do I look? I feel like I look like a very beautiful village girl. I feel I look really fine. I love how this thing looks. Please don't laugh at me. Tell me what you think in the comment section. In fact, let me post for thumbnail now. See, this thing is supposed to be looking better, but I don't have front hair. I just can't seem to get the perfect thumbnail. I don't even know what to do. Anyways guys, I'm going to be going upstairs now because I'm so tired. I went to this place since like past 8 or 9, and this is close to 12 o'clock, so I'm really hungry and tired, and I want to make some clothes. So let's just go inside. Yeah, I made buff and I carried that buff. I was confident with it, so I went out to it a couple of times. Hey guys, good evening. I don't know if you can hear me because this place is noisy. There are a lot of generators here. Well, I came to get bottled water. Yeah, I came to buy a carton of bottle water, and I came out with my puff puff. I'm loving this hair so far. I'm so glad I made this hair. I came out with it. I don't have strength for a wig. I need breeze to enter my head, and the heat is just so much. Tell me in the comment section if you have been experiencing heat too, and tell me in the comment section if you feel comfortable carrying things on your head. Yeah guys, I need to leave on the road and people are looking at me. So guys, I don't know how this story time is going to be. There are some parts that I don't know if I'm going to remember. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to remember adding them to this clip. Anyways, this vlog is going to be here and there. It's going to be an interesting vlog, so just stay tuned. So currently I bought these things. I'm already at home, so I'll take them upstairs. I want to take fruits. Like recently my diet has been I've been taking fruits anyhow, and I'm loving it so much. If I can't control myself from sweet things, it's better I take healthy sweet things like fruits, but I won't take it too much. Udara is not going to stay here forever. Anyways, let me go upstairs. Hey, oh god, this thing don't touch my leggings. Jesus, let it not touch my top. Udara has killed 2 of my tops. Immediately after concluding this video, I'll go and wash these leggings. If not, to go condemn them. So, as I was saying, nowadays I hardly do this thing. I hardly eat dinner. There's always udara or avocado or mango or banana or something to take, and once I take it, my stomach is already full. Even this morning now, I have to be careful. I know I just said I'm going to take fruits, but I don't think I'm going to take much. I'll take very little so I can eat my breakfast, because this is around 11-12 and I've not eaten breakfast. So guys, this is paradise. This is paradise. Well, like, nobody can tell me that they did not inject sugar inside this thing. It is so sweet. God, I can buy this thing 100 naira because of the way it's sweet, but what if 500 naira sha? So doctors in the house tell me, because I usually eat breakfast late around 11-12, and from that 11-12 I'll not eat anything again until in the night, and in the night I'll not take fruits. I don't know if it's good, but it always satisfies me. So tell me, will it make me to add weight? If it will not make me to add weight, I will keep on doing it, but if it's going to make me to add weight, I'm going to stop. So doctors in the house, clarify for me. Guys, let me stop doing you guys longer truth. Let me just close this vlog here and do what I have to do for the day, because before you know what's happening now, 3 o'clock at quarter, time is always flying when I have a lot of things to do, but when I don't have anything to do, it will be crawling. So guys, that's just going to be it for it. Thank you also so much for your love and support. Do let me know if you like this vlog. This is like one of my most scattered filming ever. Like, my filming has never been this scattered. I'm always organizing what I'm filming, but this particular vlog, anything I just see that would be nice for this concept, I'll just film it. Like, I can even say this vlog has been on for over 2 or 3 weeks. Anytime I just feel okay, this is something nice to film, I'll film it. Like that, like making my hair was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I don't know how you guys are going to see it. So tell me if you enjoyed this vlog, and hopefully I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. For now, bye, kiss kiss, mwah. Love you.